So viewer subscriber, in this one we're going to talk about Valiant. Plus we have a YouTube bundle in house because he catching woman a cheat for him, you see me? So yeah man, I know you don't want to miss this. So subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new to the channel and don't make me come find Uno.
Giant G-Man representing the 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
So I'm gonna get my face done right now, and I'm gonna get, what else I'm gonna get?
Just a facial.
Just a facial. And Chin is here getting his.
So viewer subscriber, after that video they drop on Valiant's page, Valiant get a lot of bun off for that, you see me? Because people are say why the artists are do facial now, but clearly we can understand why Valiant attack. And you don't know say you gonna have them type of people where them brain just stay under the ground, you see me? Them are gonna say wifey, everything. So if you can see, well obviously, you can basically see where Valiant attack. And as an entertainer, you go get all of them there. You have to just watch what you say on the media, because you go have them type of people that where I go say, oh, wipe on that, Valiant just say that and this and that. You see me? And I'm going to show you some comments of way people them say, because it's like their brain not function right. You see me? So watch your style now. I'm going to read it out and make you see what go on. So this person said, wipe on the facial youth. Next person said, nothing wrong with facial. Clean skin are the best skin. You see me? The next person said, I be a dunks people in the comment section. This a person that say, light up that. So you see what I'm showing the view and subscriber. Some people, yo, them just not think. I don't know. This I wanna say, man, I do facial now. This a person that say, if you say why for the facial, you need to grow up. We are big people now. Facial no mean one thing, and you don't know that. But Valiant also replied and said this. As a ugly handsome boy, I did a facial. For sure say, this actually say the entertainer don't care where nobody want to say, because him know what I talk about. You see me? Valiant not depend where uno depend. He not talk about where uno talk about. You see me? And as an entertainer or a public figure, yo, you have to know where you say out there. You have to be strong-minded. You see me? Because you have these type of people out there. The simplest something you say, them can twist it and say, yo, wipe on this, you said that. You see me? When you never say that or you never mean what them think you mean, you see me? Yeah man, so big up to Valiant. Yeah man, the dog not make this get to him. And to them people where I say, why, brother, I need to go back to school, to be honest. Phone brain there under the ground and they never see light of day yet. You see me? So yeah man, watch out, view and subscribe if you want to reach this far in the review. Remember, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. I cannot do this without Uno. So watch your style now.
They are catching y'all fucking bun down your house.
So viewer subscriber, as you can see and as you can hear, a man burn on your house because he walking on the woman a cheat on him. And yo, may I tell you, the world are cold. You see me? I don't really agree with him burning down the house, but I understand why he did it. You see me? There's a thing called anger. May I tell you, it will make you do anything. You see me? Worse if a man was loyal and him a provide and him a do what a man supposed to do. You see me? If you go walking by a woman a cheat by you, that's a hard pill to swallow, to be honest. You see me? But for burning your house now, I don't agree with that. You see me? But I hope say things get better for the general after all of this. And you know, as I say, the world cool, so you have to just know what you do. Sometimes you have to just stay to yourself, live a free life, elevate yourself, and you see me, do your own thing. Because at the end of the day, as I say, the world cool, and you don't know who you're going to bring in your life until they really show you them true colors. So if you want to subscribe, big up on yourself. We can't do this without you. Remember, subscribe to the channel. 4K Shella Energy. I'm out.